What's good, guys? Welcome back to Yumi's Dreams channel. Please, guys, we are on 560 subscribers. Please make sure that you hit the subscribe button. I'm waiting for you. The queen of DIY is in the house. So today I'm gonna be doing a skincare, but today I'm gonna be showing you guys like my favorite mask. I showed you guys my skincare. I only use Push Your M, strictly Push Your M, right? So today I'm gonna be showing you guys the mask. You know, a week you need a mask. You need to apply a mask, and this one I love it because I do it myself. It's very cheap, and you know, I know what I'm using on my face. Like no edit, what and what not. No. So without any further ado, let's get into this video, because I don't want this video to be too long. I want this video to be straight and short. So what you're gonna need your apple cider vinegar. I'm using the body care apple cider vinegar. It says love your body, zithande, okay, tanda umzimba, yebo. So it says this apple cider vinegar unfiltered, right? Unfiltered with the mother live culture. So with the mother, so I chose the one with the mother, and this one is very affordable. It's 23 rand, guys, come on, it's 23 rand. It's not like the one that we know it is. I think it's 92 rand. No, that one is expensive. Not for us, guys, not for students, right? So not for students. Okay, so also what you're gonna need your Bentonite clay. This is a Bentonite clay. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it nice. I'm pronouncing it right, but this is a Bentonite clay. So you're gonna get it at this camp. Everything that I'm showing you guys, you're gonna get it at this camp. So you're also gonna need your activated charcoal. Activated charcoal, guys, it's very, very, very useful. Like, you need to have it for your teeth to be white. You need, you know, activated charcoal. Just put it in a toothpaste, just on a toothbrush. Have some toothpaste, and then dip it in this, wash your teeth. There we go, right? And also you're gonna need spoon, some applicator brush, and this caftan thingy. So I'm just gonna mix everything in this caftan thingy, and then I'm just gonna apply it and wait for 10 minutes. Then we're gonna remove it, and our skin is gonna be hell to go. Okay, so yeah, let's do it. Okay, guys, like I've already put some Bentonite and activated charcoal. So now I'm gonna put my apple cider vinegar, and I'm just gonna mix them together, mix them all, and apply on the face. That's it. Okay, so my apple cider is in there. So now I'm just gonna mix everything together until you see hori. This is fine. And also, guys, I have to tell you, apple cider does bend the eye, so make sure that you are far from your eyes when you apply it on your face. Okay, guys, so now that I'm done, I'm just gonna apply my mask. I'm just gonna make sure that I do not apply like someone who's not well. Like, I wanna apply it nicely. Ooh, there's a fly here, guys. It's so huge. Like, you know, that's green one. Oh my god, that's so... what the fuck? Ooh, my eyes are burning already. Let me open this window so it can go out. Go out. Go. Yeah. He's out now. I think oh, sorry for assuming the fly gender. I don't know if it's a male or a female. I'm really sorry. Guys, when applying a mask. Oh, this fucking shit is burning my eyes. Like, literally, it's burning my eyes. Guys, don't use it like me. Like, this is fucking burning my eye. Okay guys, so now I'm done applying my mask. I just want to take some few pics, and yeah, I know I look like a spooky, so let me just wait, take pictures, and yeah, so I'm just gonna do that now. Just send me a message, guys. Okay, let me tell you guys about this mask. This mask is burning my eyes, so please make sure that when you apply it, like you close your eyes. I don't know how you're gonna apply it, but just try to be strong, girl. Like, but after applying it for, just give it like 2 minutes, it's gonna be fine. And yeah, guys, my camera is back. Like, you can see the quality is the best. So let's do some music. Let's have some music. Let's just hope they don't copyright us, because I don't want to be copyrighted. No. Let me not do it. Let me just take pictures of me. Let me just take pictures. I love this angle. Ooh, like, look at that picture. Miguel. Let me be nice to the picture. Let me be nice. Okay guys, so this is how the mask is. Look at the nose, guys. Like, it is working. I love this mask, and I just can't talk. Like, you can see, guys, my skin is very oily, and the oil that's come out, my pores are open. Like, this mask is everything, guys. I'm just gonna give you a close-up, like a realistic close-up, and I love it, especially on my nose and my forehead. Look at this, guys. Like, my pores are open, and okay guys, so I'm just gonna wash it off now, and I'm gonna close this video because my battery is flashing. So let me quickly go and rinse it off. Okay guys, so I have rinsed it off now, and my skin is, I'm loving my skin because it's breathing. I'm loving my skin. So, and my skin texture is so different. Like, you can feel like the oil is coming out. I feel a bit dry, but that's not a problem because I don't want a shiny skin and all of that. I don't want oily skin because I don't want pimples. So yes, thank you guys for watching. If you have a video recommendation, please make sure that you do comment, share this video to your friends, with your friends, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. I deserve a thumbs up. And also, if you have a question, don't forget to comment. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.